this HMAR Mobile Tech channel. Welcome. So I'm working on a 2014 Ford E450 and I'm doing a battery here, and just wanted to show you real quick how tight to tighten up the battery terminals on these types. They require an 8mm to tighten them, and then there's an 8mm hold down back there. So what I want you to pay attention to is that if you over tighten and these two ends are pinching each other like that, then no amount of tightening is going to fix them. You're just going to mar up the battery posts and you'll just destroy these terminals even more. So if you've got a little bit of a gap there and this nut is pretty much almost tight, then that's a good sign that your battery terminals or this specific terminal is in good condition and it isn't stretched or damaged. And then there's a good chance that this is going to go on tight and will pass the wiggle test. Set your torque wrench to around 35 inch-pounds. I found that is the sweet spot. Don't go over 40 inch-pounds. And then go ahead and just make sure that it's seated all the way on, and there's a flathead screwdriver to kind of twist it a little bit as you push down. You should be able to seat it all the way down. A little bit of protruding battery post, and then make sure you're good there, and then make sure you are good there. You did a good job. Subscribe, like, and share. Watch some of my other videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.